The given equation is a polar equation because I see r and theta. I would like you to convert this to a rectangular equation. The ingredients that we'll need is from polar to rectangular, the red ingredients on the right, y is equals to r sine, x is equals to r cosine, r squared is x squared plus y squared, and then you can take the square root on both sides because r is the square is even. That's why you have to use the plus and the minus. Okay, the first thing that we will have to do, let me try to match this to the right color. I think this is correct, right? Okay, great. I see a 3 times sine theta. The 3 is not an r. And then y is equals to, there is supposed to be a r next to the theta. So what I will do first is I will multiply the denominator to the other side, minus 3 sine theta, that is equals to 6. And then 2r minus 3r times sine theta, that is equals to 6. And then the r sine and these r sines, they match, right? These r sines, they match. So now I can change the highlight to a y. Okay, let's do it. 2r minus 3, and then change this is now a y, and then equals to 6. Okay, we are one step closer. At least there is no theta right now, but we do have an r. So for the r is the plus or minus, okay, and then I will have a 2, and then the r, that will be multiply plus or minus the square root of x squared plus y squared, and then minus 3y. How about I will just do a 6 plus 3y, like this. And then to get rid of the plus and minus, I will just raise both sides to the second power. And then on the left side, I have a 4. And then in red, I have x squared plus y squared. And then on the other side, I have, let's fully open this up. So this is a 6 plus 3y times 6 plus 3y. We can do a side note. This is a 6 times 6, 6 times 3, 6 times 3, and then 3 times 3. And then this is equals to 36 plus 36y plus 9y squared. Okay, it looks like we can do some simplification, right? We can do a 4x squared plus 4y squared equals to 36 plus 36y, and then plus 9y squared. The y squared can be cancelled, so this one not cancelled, reduce. 4 minus 9 is negative 5. How about we keep this on the other side, the y on the other side, and then the constant itself on this side. And then I will box this, and then this is my rectangular equation. And then this one, this is actually a hyperbola. So this one, if you go back to your conic section lectures usually that is taught in pre-calculus, so you can use completing square to transform this equation to standard equation of a hyperbola. Alright, so that is the end of this video. This one is definitely harder than the previous video, right? So this one requires a this one doesn't require any double angle formula, but the algebra, you just have to be aware of the plus and the minus, and then know where to, stick the r to the sine or the cosine. Okay, the next video I will do another example regarding from a polar equation to a rectangular equation, and that one will be much more difficult. I will see you there.